And how much does it pay to be a housewife? Now it just may pay you in cash rather than kind to be at home, take care of your family and make life comfortable for your family. That if the government's proposal gets through. Here's a full report.
If she's doing the entire housework, I think an appreciative husband would want to pay her for that. And so I strongly recommend this.
Paying a part of that salary to the wife, it's not necessary, I feel. I don't think that he should pay a fixed salary every month.
The proposal has generated mixed reactions, but if it does come through, it will be one of a kind. The Women and Child Development Ministry has said that a woman should get a fixed salary, a percentage of her husband's income for all the work that she does at home for him. The aim is socio-economic empowerment for women, but can that be achieved?
The moment you say salary to the wife, I mean it really creates a subservient relationship between husband and wife, whereas the relationship has to be equal. So I believe in that equality within the household. That would mean that she has equal right over the income earned in the household from whichever sources.
Husbands too are wary of this move, saying they already provide for their spouse and that paying salaries to their wives will drive a hole in their pockets.
Concept-wise is not bad, but as I said, it is an understanding between husband and wife. So it is left for them to do how they want to do it. It is none of their government's business to regulate these kind of things.
बिल्कुल अनफेयर नहीं है, वो घर पर रहते हैं, इतनी मेहनत करते हैं, उन्हें भी मिलना चाहिए, हक के साथ मिलना चाहिए, वैसा तो मिलता ही है.
But the government has its own logic, saying that women contribute to the GDP growth in the country and that by bringing them under a pay bracket, the country will have a better idea of the exact unemployment rate in the country.
The Women and Child Development Ministry is working on the draft bill which may soon be presented in the cabinet. Socio-economic development or displaying a rosy picture of the GDP and employment in the country, whatever the aim may be, the proposal is sure to make many unhappy and others happy and generate very interesting reactions in the days to come. The process has just started, as you saw in our report. With Bureau Inputs, Molly Gambhir for NewsX.
And for all Sachin Tendulkar